Okay, you can clear the DOT noise calling me on this pole right there.
The Blueberry Killer lead cannon.
It's one that requested contact.
Hey, do me a favor, Brian. I told you I can't smell, right? See how my driver's seat and see if you smell. I feel like I almost felt like I almost hit the road twice, and I feel like I'm gonna get sick. Does it smell like exhaust?
Yeah. You want somebody come check you out?
No, man. I just need fresh air. I was like, my head started having a headache, and I was like, I can't read, and then I'm like, what the fuck, man? And I hit the curb over here, bumped it, and I'm like, so this car just came back today, but I can't smell it.
I can smell it. It smells like rotten egg.
Everything's on normal AC, not recycle.
Just smells like rotten egg.
Oh, that's fucking.
Ooh, that's strong.
What the fuck? It just, I mean, dude, it almost made me. I still feel sick as shit right now. I couldn't run right now if I tried. I feel like I'm gonna throw up, but I'm not. You know that feeling like I have a headache. It's like I feel like shit right now. I feel like I'm hungover. Is what it feels like.
Sure you want to go check that out? It sounds like you've been.
They're not gonna do anything except tell me breathe fresh air, right?
Oh, I think it's usually carbon monoxide poisoning.
Please call. Just call Carpenter. I don't want to make a big deal. Just see what he says. I don't think there's anything to do for this.
Google it real quick. I'm pretty sure.
You can smell it?
Oh yeah.
Fuck, man. It made me hit. I mean, it almost. I mean, I need it. My screen started. I'm just gonna sit on this curb. Actually, yeah, I'm just on this curb. My screen started getting blurry. I have a headache. I feel like I'm going to throw up. It's hard to read. You smelled it, right? You can smell it. Bad. Fuck. I've been cruising around that thing, and I'm like, I'll start getting sick.
Maybe 95,000 insurance carry. Could you please add all the push that for him? And also fax more to the job.
10 for 1233. Jacob Swindle.
Inventory 3.
Yeah, sit down. Because I don't know how to describe it to you.
It's really just some oxygen. I don't think you're doing something good here. You're doing something else. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not sure to laugh. My head, it feels like never being hungover, like a feeling the pressure prices. Fuck, man.
Somebody got your vehicle back to the truck?
Sorry.
So,
yeah, I hit it. I didn't pop the tire, but I hit a curve, man.
We'll light it up with the...
We let Mike know. Shit, my phone's in the car. damn it.
Frank 808 23 on the DOC, 21 12 East William, Canada, Apartment 112. Unit check, Frank. Frank 808 check, Frank.
Okay, thank you, guys.
10-4. Go ahead.
Unit is going to be transported to South Boston. I'm going to stop by the folks and then when I meet him there.
10-4.
Six, I'll be staying with our subject. Do we have any ETA on the record?
Negative, not yet, I'll check.
Yeah, 1-806, you need to come over there. Stay with me. I'm not quite sure he's getting transported yet, but if he does, then I will. This record's taking forever.
Yeah. Yeah, one thing that's not too for sure. I'm not crazy then. I can't even. You know how much I hate Steve and shit. Dude, it almost, you're not recording right now. Between you and me, dude, I would know. I almost hit the back of the park bus. I hit a curve and I was looking at my screen and it was like slow motion. I looked up and there was a bus. And I think I went right by it. That's why I said, yeah, you gotta try that. I didn't know what was going on. Because you can't smell shit in that thing.
Frank 604, en route for disturbance flash up 90, 335 service road southbound. Train get mail through a rock through a window. He came to the drive-thru asking for food. When they refused, he got upset. He's still on scene somewhere nearby, but he did LTS on foot. And he's also around. 10 further working on it. Clear. Supervisor, clear down, Grace.
Yeah, but can you have them tell us the criminal mischief report and we will look about catching the guy?
10 4.
Come give me the bear. Better.
Yeah, get in that car.
Yeah, they can come out and park it.
To my hole. What?
Your hole.
I'm so excited to get out. Then you definitely smell something, right? Thank God.
I know it.
I think I'm crazy, you know?
It to be like a little bit, rock egg smell. That whole that you put out the day, like a hot egg smell.
Yeah.
It's strong. How the fuck you go with that?
I'm telling you, I almost hit a bus and scared the shit out of me. I thought I was having a...
You're holding pretty much your 12
I kept checking my heart rate. My heart rate's low. I was like 42, 48, 50. I thought I was having a heart attack. I didn't know what to go on.
Joe, if you're willing to crash hot shot slaughter command check, 2 vehicles, possibly 4 involved, 880s clear and checking started.
Right here.
Okay.
You can retitle alarm clock and 811 miles per.
Oh, I gotta move away from your car, man.
Your people know you're trying.
Go ahead.
584907 B-Boy, William Cannon, and Pleasant Valley, Senior.
Joey 5.
MT4, you'll take home. Pero, if you're not trying to, you know you're going to the hospital.
It's not the night school.
For urgent 2309 Marcus Abrams for a female trying to hurt herself, having knife with the complainant removed it. He's fully hurt the resident.
Right. Hey, can you do us a favor?
No, that.
No. Right. You're going to burglary hotshot 2665 Heidi Rock Trail. Suspect is inside the complainant's home. Complainant does know the suspect is the girl live there. Screening video clear and off battle check starting for 35
Did you smell it?
Yeah, I did. You okay?
Good. Shit, man. But you smelled it? I can't smell it. I hit a curb and I almost hit a bus and I was like, and then I thought I was having a heart attack. And I called Brian over and I was like, Brian, something's wrong with me. But he said, I can't smell it.
You know what? I just brought up a good point. I have a bad nose and I can smell it. We just called 250 and have them throw it in my ear.
I drove through that intersection. I didn't see you.
They're supposed to be,
I drew the complainant said they heard and saw 3 or 4 vehicles
Right, I was so scared. I kept checking my heart up, but my heart's slow.
Yeah, I heard a car honk, and I saw some vehicles driving northbound. May check from that, but besides that, there's no record.
God damn it. This is fucking shit. It's not the night school. Fuck. God damn it.
We've already had officers go through the intersection and you're right, we're going to clear. Two days of clear.
that's crazy, man. That's not like... You saw the new update on it, though, right? What is that? He's a bit...
Well, we'll get to all the man check too.
There's new policy.
Fuck, right.
No, I hear you. Come over here. Let's get you on and we'll put you on tomorrow.
Saturday night.
Well, we take his belt off.
I didn't think about it. I had to give myself the use.
Yeah, only legal. If we weren't doing this, we'd probably be running a... And honestly, even if it is like CO or whatever, a little bit of oxygen mixed cans is really the treatment for it. I like using a hyperbaric.
Right, today when another unit becomes available, some of us guys are here.
Sorry. The light, it's like a headache. It's stuck. Yeah. No. There. I forgot it. I put a heart attack in, but heart kind of beats faster. Yeah, I actually have a, so I thought it was. It's only 69 right now, but it's probably a lot lower. Not the day. No cardiac history. No.
Did you get it?
I started having a headache. Started feeling like couldn't read the screen. I looked at my deck. I couldn't read. And I started like a blow up. That's when I came here in 76 days.
We don't even make it for all that drug, they just know it's a white people.
Oh, man.